Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we are in the community of Cross Creek West in Fulshire, Texas. Now, this beautiful home we are viewing is built by Weston Homes. It is called the Staten. It is a two-story, four-bedroom, two-and-a-half-bath home. It is a little over 2,600 square feet, and the starting price is going to be in the high $400,000 range. So it still is considered an affordable home for most. Now, this beautiful home is going to be zoned to the Lamar ISD School District. The schools will be Huggins Elementary, Lehman Junior High, Roberts Middle School, and Fulshire High School. Now, if you are interested in being notified of weekly tours of new communities around the Houston metropolitan area, make sure you hit that bell, and that subscribe button to be notified. And if you don't know who I am Linda Blue, your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. Now, go ahead and sit back and relax and enjoy the tour, and make sure you leave a comment in the section below. Have a wonderful day.